Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2008 Subaru Tribeca. This has the 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing you're going to do is jack up the driver's side of the vehicle and put a jack stand under it. Alright, this has a big splash guard down here with a couple of panels. There is, you can see it's missing back here where my hand's sticking through. That's going to be the panel for draining your drain plug or your oil right there to your drain plug. Mine are, both this one and the one back there are missing. So this drain plug here is a 17 millimeter. So we are going to break this loose. And then we're going to take this drain plug out. All right, ready, go. And we're going to let that all drain out. Okay, when you get down to a low drizzle here, you can put the plug back in. You can let this go until it just quits dripping, but honestly, that's plenty right there. That gets the majority of your oil out. And then we can tighten our drain plug back down. You don't need to crank this down super tight, but just like a good firm torque down is good. Now our oil filter is right here, so you will need to take this splash guard out, but we're going to take this oil filter off right here and catch the oil in the drain pan. If you're having trouble breaking that loose by hand, I'll have a big set of channel locks linked down in the description below, along with oil, an oil filter, catch pan, bunch of different affiliate links to Amazon. Now we've got our new filter here, and what we want to do is dip our finger in some oil and then just run it around this gasket here. This keeps your new gasket from sticking onto there when you take this off again, and also helps that gasket seal up nicely. Okay, now we're going to take our new filter and stick it up on there, spin it on. Once it gets pretty tight, you want to go 3/4 of a turn after it gets, once it starts touching. So once you spin it on there and it touches, go about 3/4 of a turn. I usually just tighten it about as tight as I can get it by hand, and that's worked well for me. Now we're going to let our vehicle down to the ground so that it's level. Pop your hood. All right, now we are going to take out our oil filling cap here. Then we'll put our funnel down here. And then we can fill up our engine with 5W30 motor oil. This takes 6.9 quarts. Once you've got it filled up with oil, you can pull your dipstick out here, wipe it off. Nice and clean. We'll stick it back in. And we can see we are right at the top there. There's the two holes. The hole towards the top of the dipstick is the hole that we want to be at. So you can see the two holes there. The lower hole towards the end of the dipstick is the low level. The upper hole is the full level. So once you're at the top hole, start your engine, let it idle for about 20 seconds, and shut it off. Come back and recheck your level on your oil. And if your oil level is still good, you're good to go. Put your cap back on, and that's about all there is to it. So there you go. You've successfully changed your oil. If this video was helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.